Once upon a time,
At William Jessup University,
in the spring of 2021, a new class was born.
DCD Triple Dose was named Digital Workshop by her podcasting parents, Prince Scott Storm and Aaron Absolute Humidity Robbins. Now we,
The Knights.
will go on a quest to find out if we
The Knights.
should learn from Princess Digital Workshop.
Let's go. Run.
Who dares cross my bridge?
It is we, Knights Alyssa,
And Cass.
on a quest to find Princess Digital Workshop.
Wait. I know her. So many knights have crossed my bridge in search of her. When they returned, they raved about how new and exciting her class was.
What did they tell you their favorite parts were?
Princess Digital Workshop facilitates open class discussion, and over 86% of students interviewed said that they would continue their podcast after the class is done.
Where do we find her?
I don't know, but you can find her best friend, the podcast fairy, over there.
Thank you, Mr. Bridgeguard.
Thank you!
Who dares enter my fairy circle?
It is we, Knights, Cass and Alyssa,
Yes.
on a quest to search for Princess Digital Workshop.
Princess Digital Workshop? She's such a lovely girl. She's taught me how to create a podcast many times. We even have a weekly show together.
What have you learned so far?
Well, I learned what a podcast is, how to tell, edit, and market your story.
Wow, that sounds like such an interesting class.
Where can we find her?
You can find Princess Digital Workshop where the winds meet stone.
The point!
Away! Thank you, magical fairy. Say hi to her for me.
Hi, this is Princess Digital Workshop, and you're listening to How to Princess Better. On today's episode, we'll be discussing all the ways that you can make a leader.
Workshop!
Princess Digital
Digital Workshop! Princess Digital Workshop!
Princess!
Princess! It is we
Knights!
We're here to find you.
Teach us podcast class?
Yeah.
How dare you interrupt me clearly recording a podcast right now?
I'm sorry, we just wanted to learn. We need your help.
Oh, well, those are my favorite words. How can I help you?
We want to know how to make a podcast.
In my class, you'll learn how to create, produce, record, edit, and even market your very own podcast.
Wow, tell us more.
There's a lot to tell. These skills aren't useful in just making podcasts, but for any storytelling, creation medium, and they're very highly sought after from many employers.
Oh my gosh.
We need to take this class.
Immediately.
Thank you so much, Princess Digital Workshop.
You're the best.
I am.
Quest complete.
Now, I need to record my podcast.
Yeah, okay, we'll leave it now. Thank you. Thank you. Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
Don't forget about my registration fee! Gotta buy a new crown.